Hey guys, welcome you all back once again to my channel Ride with ZX10R. So this is my first proper ride with a Ducati after taking delivery of the motorcycle. So I barely rode the Ducati for some 25 to 30 kilometers on the day in which we took delivery. So today it's a holiday and I decided to take out the Ducati for a ride. Today I decided to ride the motorcycle through the rural roads of Tamil Nadu state. I just wanted to ride it on the highway, but again riding through the curves of the village roads is a different experience altogether. And here we are entering the village road. And one thing I have to look out for is the Ducati's ground clearance is very low. So I have to watch out for the speed breakers. I have already ridden the Ducati for around 20 minutes before reaching this road, and I have to say the heat is really unbearable. I have kept the motorcycle in the sport mode, not in the race mode. Even then the motorcycle heats like anything. But I think over the course of time we will get used to this heat of the Ducati. When I took the ZX10R, I felt the ZX10R was heating very much, but now after riding the Ducati I feel the ZX is much better. This is worse than the Ninja 300, the ground clearance of the Ducati. My Ninja 300 has 135 millimeters of ground clearance, whereas on the Panigale it is just 125 millimeters, 10 lesser than the Ninja 300. So we have to be very careful while running over the speed breakers on the Panigale. We have to ride it as if you are riding the Ninja 300 with a pillion. So now we are out of the village roads and we are on the national highway, sorry, state highway. So the climate is pretty good today. It has rained overnight and it is not very sunny. So the Panigale feels somewhat better in these climatic conditions. The heat is there though, but what I think is over the course of the time, the people who are riding the Ducatis will get used to this heat. And one more thing which I found different in the Panigale is you can shift the motorcycle only at around 5,000 to 6,000 RPMs. That is, even if you are riding at 120 plus kilometers per hour, you have to be in the fifth gear only. You cannot just simply shift it to the top gear. The motorcycle feels very powerless when you shift below the 4,000 RPM. One thing which I have to mention is the throttle response in the Panigale. Actually, I am riding it in the sport mode, not in the race mode. Still, the throttle response is really good. The only down thing is it feels powerless in the lower RPMs. So in the Panigale, if you want to ride it fast, you have to keep the RPMs high. You just cannot simply have a relaxed ride with a Panigale. Now after riding on the rural roads and the state highway for some time, we are going to enter an actual village type road. Yes, it's a Panchayat road leading to my home. And one more thing which I felt different with the Ducati is the rider seat is somewhat tapered towards the front. That is, the seat is not perfectly flat. The back part of the seat is somewhat elevated and the front part of the seat is somewhat in a lower position. So that gives you a sporty seating posture. It may look great, but it takes a toll on your hands and arms. The weight of your body will be on your arms. But when compared to the ZX Runner, I have to say the Ducati is better. And I think I have ridden the Ducati for around 45 minutes. And I have to accept that I am getting more and more comfortable with the Panigale. That is, the heat generated by the motorcycle is not bothering me as much as it bothered me during my first ride. You could have seen that video. Just after sitting on the seat of the Panigale, I was complaining about the heat a lot. But now after riding this motorcycle for some more time, I feel pretty comfortable. Yes, this is the problem with the village roads. Once you get behind a big vehicle, it is not easy to pass the vehicle. It is the speed breakers that is bothering me a lot. But on the national highway, where there are no speed breakers, this motorcycle will be an excellent motorcycle. And I am almost home. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. See you all once again in another video.